Be nice, Trey.
You got me.
Rudy's. Andrew. Rudy's. Look at Nana's. Oh, look at Nana's. What are you doing? Huh? Don't hit each other. That's not nice. Rudy's. Look at Nana's. He likes that. You like that, Andrew. They're crazy, huh? They're funny.
Sorry.
Get over this way. Quit hitting them in the face. Try to yell out in the basement for Duke real quick. Just yell for me. Come here. Are you okay? Are you okay, boy? Are you going to survive? Come here. What do you do?
I put my foot on that.
On what? Well, be careful what you're doing. Yell down the basement for a minute for me real quick. Can you please, Trey? Tell Duke come here, please.
Wait, pause again. No! Miss Nana wants you. Miss Nana.
What's him doing? What's him doing?
Oh.
They're funny, huh?